how to fix iPhone not connecting to computer. So let's get started. First thing first, ensure the cable is not damaged. Try using a different Apple certified lightning cable. Connect your iPhone to a different USB port on your computer and avoid use USB hubs and connect directly to the computer's port as well. If this does not work, then when you connect your iPhone to the computer, you should see a trust this computer prompt on this iPhone. Tap trust and enter your passcode. If the prompt does not appear, disconnect and reconnect the device to trigger it again. And also ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. In order to do that, simply go to the settings, tap on the general and update your iPhone. If all of this does not work, then simply try restarting both devices. Hold the power button and either volume button and restart your iPhone and also restart your computer. So if your iPhone isn't still connecting, try plugging it to another computer. If it works on another machine, the issue could be with your computer settings or software as well. By following the steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of your iPhone not connecting to your computer. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.